Not too long ago, I did a video on how to strengthen these sides to prevent cracking in these corners when you lifted the boxes up. And after you were done fixing that, put a little bit of foam on here that came from a pool noodle, and it makes it quite comfortable to pick the box up. Now I've discovered another problem. We're getting cracking right here. So get a little closer, take a look. What I've done is I've actually used a soldering gun to melt that back in, which in itself would not, I believe, make that strong enough to maintain itself that way. So what I've been doing is I've been putting round pieces of metal in here. Let me show you one of those in just a second. Now we're looking at a box that hasn't actually been damaged at all yet, but this is a preventative measure. Now these pieces of round tubing are actually electrical conduit. The inside diameter is about 5/8 here, and the outside diameter is 705. Now these things are 4 inches 650 thousandths, in my case anyway. Your boxes may be a little different. You just need to measure the distance across for them to fit inside the handle. So if we drop this in here like that, we've got a couple of holes underneath here. And if we take and we've got a magic marker here, and we can just mark where the center of those holes is, and then we would be drilling those out in order that we can put some screws in here. I found that these self-tapping screws work quite well for this. They have a nice rounded top on them so you don't hurt your fingers when you pick up the box. They are number 10 by 5/8 long, and they're self-tapping screws. Now what you really need to do is, you've got your 2 marks on here, and you're going to drill these out with a 5/32 drill. Now I have a mill, so I used the mill to drill one hole, and then I cranked over exactly 3 inches and drilled another hole. These then fit in the handle, the screws go in through the bottom, and it really increases the rigidity of the handle and prevents bending and snapping.